Are you tired of beard trimmers leaving a hairy mess all over your sink? What if I told you there's a solution that trims your beard and vacuums the hair simultaneously? Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's real, and today, I'm reviewing the ATVOXIS Vacuum Beard Trimmer, a budget-friendly, waterproof, cordless, and mess-reducing trimmer that might just change your grooming game forever. Hello everyone. I'm Ruhul Amin, founder of Raminmark, your trusted source for honest and in-depth product reviews. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the best tools for men's grooming and more. ATVOXIS Vacuum Beard Trimmer, honest hands-on review. When you open the box, you're greeted with a sleek zippered case that holds everything nicely. Inside you'll find the trimmer itself with a built-in adjustable dial, 2 length guards 1mm to 20mm, a cleaning brush, clipper oil, charging cable plus USB adapter, a cheap but useful trimming bib, a plastic comb, and that zippered travel pouch. Quite a solid package for this price point. The trimmer is lightweight at just 200 grams, fits comfortably in hand, and the matte black finish gives it a premium look. The build feels solid, and I love the dial-based length adjustment. No need to fumble around with multiple guards. Let's talk features. Built-in vacuum. It collects most of the trimmed hair into a chamber. It's not perfect, but it significantly reduces mess. Waterproof. IPX6, you can rinse it under water easily, making cleanup a breeze. Sharp blades. Cuts efficiently with no tugging or irritation. Cordless plus travel lock. Press and hold for 3 seconds to activate travel lock, perfect for your trips. Battery. 90 minutes runtime on a full charge. Comes with a USB-C port, which is a big win. Pros. Affordable price, around $20 with coupon. Strong design with sharp blades. Adjustable dial instead of loose guards. Waterproof and travel-friendly. USB-C charging. Cons. The vacuum is helpful but doesn't catch all the hair. Only one speed option. Plastic bib feels cheap, but hey, it's a free extra. If you're someone who trims your beard at the sink and hates post-trim cleanup, this trimmer is a great addition. It's not for someone expecting a salon-grade vacuum, but at this price, it delivers serious value. Also great for travel thanks to its lock and case. So, is the ATVOXIS Vacuum Beard Trimmer worth it? Absolutely, if you want cleaner trims without spending a fortune. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Raminmark, and leave a comment below if you have questions. The product link is in the description if you want to check it out. Until next time, keep grooming smart and stay sharp.